Hi YouTube, welcome to Westpicks. Today we're going to see if we can get this 5-lever deadbolt opened. He's curtained. I'm not sure what make it is, whether it's a Union or ERA, or not sure, but I haven't got a key for it, so I thought we'd have a go with this tension wrench made from an old key and this music wire lifter. So anyway, let's have a go. So I've got to corkscrew this one a little bit because number 3 is quite low. So work our way through. 1, 2. Number 5. Back to number 3. Just lifting them a little bit at a time. So 1, 2, 3, springy, 4, 5, 4, 3, drop number 4. A little click then for number 5. Dropped into a false gate, so locked them up. So I'll start from the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1's loose. Bit of corkscrew to get under number 4. And on number 5. Okay, so there we are. He is open. You see that? Right, to get him back, just got to put a bit of tension. And just go through one of the levers, locks him up. So there you go. So lock back up again. What have I done with my screwdriver? He says. Just have a little look inside. Is that one going to work? Nope. Oh, that's it. So I'll give you a close up. Just tip him back a little bit in case the levers fly out. 1, 2. Okay, so as you can see, all the levers are in there. There's no markings inside. You can see the little false notches there. That they do, they catch on the bolt. So with these ones, they are just a case of just lift them enough, you know, just a little bit at a time, and don't overlift them, otherwise you'll catch them on a notch. But anyway, a bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much.